Today we are making a combination of strawberry ice cream, banana ice cream and vanilla ice cream. So the things we'll be needing, those are my flavor. We have vanilla flavor, we have the red food color, we have the banana flavor, we have vanilla flavor, we have a double cream, which is the main thing, the condensed milk that we'll be using. So before you start doing anything at all, make sure that the pan you are using is very cold, and then we'll be using hand whisk. I've already put the hand whisk mouth into the fridge to chill it properly, and also for the bowl I chilled it. So you have to make sure that you chill your bowl properly before you start doing this, because ice cream needs a cold environment. Can you see the bowl I'm using? Can you see how chilled that looks? That is what you want for your bowl that I'll be using. Since this is just a home DIY ice cream and not using an ice cream machine, so it is advisable to use this method. So plug it in and you are good to go. For this recipe I am using 200 ml of double cream. Make sure you use double cream or you use heavy whipped cream. Don't use the single one. You want to make sure it is proper whipped cream. You can use the double one, and there's extra whipped cream as well. Go with that into your bowl and then you whisk on high heat. I whisked this for about 5 minutes. One thing about this thing is that once your bowl is very chilled, it makes your ice cream to form quickly. But if all the things you are using are not properly chilled, it won't form on time, and then you have to whisk for a longer time, and you might not even like the outcome of this. Your double cream as well should be very chilled, and your condensed milk should be chilled as well. So after whisking that for like 5 to 10 minutes, you see it's getting thicker, just as you can see in the video. Ice cream is a nice dessert, and making it yourself, you know all the things that are going into it. Most of the store-bought ones, some things have been added to it which you can't see. So as you can see in the video, the ice cream is getting thicker at this point, so you can reduce the speed if you want, or just leave it until it's very thick. Then we'll be using 1 cup of condensed milk. So 1 can of this milk is approximately 1 cup, which is just enough for this recipe. You can double the recipe if you wish to produce more. You can double the recipe and you are good to go. So at this point it is thick enough, and then I'll be going in with my condensed milk. Depending on your location, I got this at Tesco and it is Carnation brand. You can use any brand of condensed milk, any brand of double cream, just to make sure it is of good quality. At this point you need to mix on low speed, because we've already creamed our what's it called, the double cream is already done. So you just mix this on low speed. You don't have to use high speed at this point. You just need to get the condensed milk into it. The condensed milk is the one that adds the sweetness to it. So we'll be using 3 different flavors, so you want to proportion that very well. Measure the quantity you want for each of them and you are good to go. For the first one, I'll be making banana flavored ice cream. So all you need to do is go in with 1 teaspoon of your banana flavor, and then go in with just a bit of yellow food color, and there you have your banana flavored ice cream. Go in with your whisk and whisk gently, or you could use a spatula just to mix that together to combine it. Mind you, if you are not using this 3-in-1 method, once you whip your double cream, you can add everything you want to add into it at once. The color, the flavor, the condensed milk. Add it after you whisk it. But for me, because I'm separating it, I had to use this method. Grab your container and then pour that into it. I'm using this foil. Pour everything into it and then it goes into the freezer for about 6 hours. Bring it out after 6 hours and your ice cream has formed. Next, we'll be making our strawberry ice cream. So scoop the quantity you need into the bowl, and then we'll be using the strawberry flavor. You can use the pink color or just a bit of red, and you have your strawberry flavored ice cream. Give it a good mix, and then you also pour into your container of choice and freeze it for the same 6 hours. You can decide to add more color if you want, but for me this color is just perfect and enough for me. If you want it to be stronger than this, you can add more food color to it. So next we'll be going in with our vanilla flavor, and it is easy. Just add your vanilla flavor into the remaining one, give that a good mix, and you have your vanilla ice cream. You don't want to mix it too much, so grab your bowl or pan or whatever and scoop that in, and you're good to go. So you want to grab your covers at this point because you need to cover everything. Cover all the flavors that you've made. Repeat the same for everything, as you can see, and then it is ready. Leave it for about 6 hours and bring everything out. As you can see, this is after 6 hours. Everything is ready. Grab a bowl and your ice cream spoon, and then you can dish it out. You can taste this. Our ice cream is ready at this point. Can you just see that yummy goodness? One thing I like about this recipe is that it is homemade without any additional chemicals and stuff like that. Can you see how creamy it is looking? You can feed this to your children. You can use this as a snack, as a dessert. You can sell this if you want. Just make sure you package it properly. I had a taste of it and it is so good and yummy. You don't want to miss this recipe. Just try this today, and guys, you will really like it. So I'll be scooping out just the 3 parts for a taste and for you to see, and I'll be freezing the rest for next time. I'll be saving this for friends that are coming over, and the review was really good when they had this. I made this ice cream a long time ago, but I've just had the time to edit it now. But the review was really great and nice. I love the banana ice cream as well. In fact, I love all 3 flavors, but I think that the strawberry flavor could have come out more pink. I didn't want to add too much of the color to it. So guys, would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.